Now we're back in Google Earth Pro. I just wanted to show you guys some great examples that you guys can see from the sky. And this is a school field. You can see here each of these green marks are where the rotor heads are. And we call these donuts in the industry. And what you're seeing is the green, because there's a lot of water where the head is the center of the donut. And then you see the outer part of where the rotor is due to the overlap. So where it's getting extra water from the other adjacent rotors. So you get these green donut rings. And then everything else is dry because it's simply just the one head hitting it. And you can see where it's basically pattern to pattern. And they have these nice long rows. Now, if they went in and added a head in each direction in between and then added another row, that would greatly increase their uniformity, also their precip rate. But that is pretty complex to go back and do. It would just be easier for them to install a new irrigation system. But you can see the effect that it has. And you can see this at multiple schools. You can see, these nice donuts that are going on. Here's some more. And this is a big one over here. So you can see just due to head spacing and such, some of these might even be rotors that aren't working anymore. Here's a telltale sign like this rotor is broken. Is the rotor is stopped rotating, so the rotor's here and then the spray pattern's here, but since it's no longer rotating, it's just stuck. And it's not irrigating anything else around it. And so it just is permanently stuck in this position. Same thing, this one's stuck. These also might be stuck. So they're just not making repairs. That could be another one of their problems. But where you see this type of pattern, you have really low uniformity, poor turf quality. But if we go to a newer sports park, so we're going to go down in South County here. So let me get my bearings right here. So you can kind of see they're keeping the fields drier. You can kind of see where the heads are laid out. You get a little tiny donut action, but not too bad. You can see over here it goes away because they're running the system more. This could be a pressure issue that they have, but for the most part, you get a good uniformity. This is just wear from, I'm guessing there's a soccer field there. This is amazing uniformity right here. Look at how great that turf is. Just being sarcastic, this is 2 artificial turf fields. And then here's their natural field turf fields again, so soccer fields. So we have the wear patterns from the players, but we have pretty good outside of that, even though you can see where the heads are. We have pretty uniform coverage, pretty same amount of green. And again, on typically sports fields, they want it drier rather than wetter. So you will see a little bit of this head action just because they want to keep it in a nice playable condition. But yeah, you can definitely see from space or through drones and stuff. You can audit the system and see how well head layout is.